Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do an in-depth analysis of the trades which I have taken in this week. So let us head to the charts. As you can see, in this week I had taken a trade mostly on Adani Enterprises, right? But the difference between last week and in this week is that here I have not booked my profits. It's just a notional profit which I'm getting, and I'll be only booking this profit by the end of the monthly expiry. So as you can see, I had shorted Adani September 4100 call option, Adani 4200 call option, and Adani 4250 call option. Now let us see what was the analysis behind this trade. Okay, so I taken this trade on, as you can see here, I taken this, let me show it to you here. Yeah, so I taken this trade on September 16th, which was on a Friday, right? First trade which I had taken was I had sold Adani 4200 call option that was trading around 60 rupees at that time. And let me tell you, that time Adani, when I had shorted, Adani was on 16 September. It was somewhere around 3600, I had sold Adani around 16 September. So it was around 3800. Okay, it will. I'll show you the hourly chart. Yes. So on 16th of September, you can see that I sold it in the morning. It was around 3800, right? It was trailing around that. But since Adani has been so bullish, the people were like literally buying call options in Adani. So what I did, instead of buying a call option, what I did, I shorted a call option, and the call option which I shorted was the furthest one which is available. Okay, that was around 4200, and I had also posted it in my page, Twitter page, that I had shorted Adani at 42 CE, 4200 CS premiums or ultra juicy. Okay, as you can see, and it went up to 80-90 rupees around. I guess it went up to 80 rupees. Okay, but I was a little late to the party, so I had sold it around 61 rupees. Okay, and I had sold 1000 quantity. That makes my total margin required was around 5.5 lakhs. But here I was getting 60,000. So for 5.5 lakhs, that is more than 10%. And there were 2 weeks for the expiry. 1 week has passed and just 1 week remaining. So in 2 weeks you are getting 10%, then that is a fantabulous result, right? But to be on the safe side, I could have shorted for my entire capital, but I did not do that because, you know, risk management is also very important. Okay, I could have gone and went ahead, we shorted my total capital of 20 lakhs, and I could have easily made 2 lakh rupees profit, but that is not the point out here. The point is that risk management has to be maintained. Okay, in the worst case, what if the market, what if the Adani crosses 4200, then I'll be facing heavy losses and I will not have additional capital to manage my trade. So what I did I do? I only shorted 1000 quantity of Adani at 61 rupees. Okay, so what happened? On Monday, I shorted it on Friday. On Monday, what happened? As you can see, let me show you. On 19th of September, okay, it started, like the reason. Okay, let me tell you the reason why did I short Adani. See, if you see the daily chart of Adani, you will see that it is far away from even the 50 EMA. Okay, it is so far. See, the 200, this is the 200 EMA and this is the 50 EMA, and it hasn't touched the 50 EMA also, and it has to do it because otherwise, if it doesn't touch, then what happens is that there can be a steep fall in Adani. It will be like pump and dump sort of a stock, but it is not like that. So what did I do? I went, see, the moment I sold it was around 3700, and you can see how far it is from the 50 DMA. So somewhere down the line it has to even if it doesn't fall, it has to consolidate for a while before rising. So to be on the safe side, I did not sell 4000. I rather sold 4200, and 4200 is quite far, and the premiums were ultra juicy. You cannot neglect that sort of a premium. And even in the worst case, even if it crosses 42, still I'll be safe till it doesn't cross 4260 rupees, because that was a premium which I sold. Okay, so I was pretty safe. So what did I do? I sold 4200 call option on Friday, and on Monday, what happened was it sort of consolidated, and it did not move exponentially like it did on Friday, right? On Friday, if you see the on Friday, what happened was, the day I sold on 16 September, yeah, the day before yesterday, it had risen a lot. It had risen around 5% on Thursday, right? And so since it was such a huge move, the 4200 call option also started trading from Friday itself. So I, instead of selling 4,000, I sold 4,200 to be on the safe side. And on Monday, as you can see, that is on 19th September, I did not do anything. And yeah, also let me tell you, I had sold a little amount on 17,000 call option, put option in Nifty, and 18,300 call option in Nifty, just to diversify my risk. You know, just I was not just trading Adani. I also traded a bit in Nifty also, not a big amount, a small amount, because the premium is also good. 17,000 put option was trading on 13 rupees, and 18,300 call option was trading on 10 rupees. So in total, I'll get 6,500 here and 5,000, 11,500. That is 0.5% of my total return for the week. I was just getting in Nifty itself, right? And I was not looking at Adani also. Just in Nifty only, I'm getting 0.5% for the week. But still, you know, I did not do anything else. And on Tuesday, that is September 20th, what happened was that I also sold 4250 call option. The reason why did I do 4250, why not 4200? Just the same reason, just to minimize my risk. What if there is a huge up move all of a sudden in Adani, some good news comes, or whatever it might be the case. I did not want to take risk, so I sold 4250. But if you look in hindsight, obviously it was a bad decision, but that is not the point. Okay, you cannot be greedy all the time. You have to play safe also. So what did I do? I sold 4250 call option at 30, and that 30 is also good premium. You know, getting 30,000 rupees on a capital of 5 lakh is a lot. You know, the 30,000 rupees is around 1.5% returns of my capital. Okay, and that is a good amount. So that was the only thing I sold. So what happened on now on 20 September 21st, that was Tuesday, sorry, Wednesday. What did I do? The Adani, you know that Adani fell on Wednesday, right? You can see the from here Adani fell, and it fell a lot. It fell 5%. So what did I do? I went and sold 4,100 call option as so, because it went up to approximately 3575 or 3600. So, and that was also 500 point away. So I sold 4,100. But the important thing out here is I only sold 500. That is only one lot of Adani. I did not go for 2 lots, 3 lots, 5 lots, because here you cannot be greedy. Okay, now if you add the total profit which I'll be making in 2 weeks, that is I'm getting 61,000 here, I'm getting 30,000, that makes 90,000, and here I've sold 500, so I'll be getting 11,000. So approximately if you add all the three, I'm getting how much? 1 lakh rupees, and this is apart from the 10,000 rupees, 11,500 rupees which I made in the Nifty trade. That is apart from that. So just by adding Adani, I'm getting approximately 1 lakh rupees profit in 2 weeks time, and 1 lakh rupees profit in 2 weeks time. The total profit is around how much? 20%. That is 5% profit. Okay, so I'm making more than 1 month's profit in 2 weeks time, and that is a very big thing, and you will rarely get these opportunities, but when you get it, you should grab it. Okay, so see, as you can see, normally I'm making 20,000 every week, but here you can see that just by next week, if everything goes well, then I'll be making 1 lakh profit in Adani itself, and that is a very, very big amount, right? And I'm not counting the Nifty September future also, because I was planning to book my profits if Nifty reach around 18,500, but you can see the market is just going everywhere, coming up and down, up and down. So you know, I was not able to book the profits at the right time, but I'm still waiting. And I'm pretty bullish on the market, and I'm expecting the Nifty will cross all-time high by the end of this year. If not by the end of this year, it will cross. If not by Diwali, I guess by November end or November, December, it will cross. Anyways, that position is running itself, and I've not, as I already mentioned, I have not closed this position because I will only be IC, because there's a lot of premium still left. As you can see today, Nifty, yeah, I don't know why it's showing 00 out here. I'll show it out here. Yeah, I don't know why it was showing 00. I don't remember. I don't know. Yeah, anyways, this is the current position. As you can see, there is still a 12,000 and 6,000, around 19,000 of premium is still left, and I was just waiting for it to decay, because 89 is like 1%. Okay, I've already made around, as you can see, I've already made around 4%. So why to leave the 1%, right? And 1% is the, you can say, the next week's return. I'm getting 1%, so why leave that? So I have left it like that only. Let's see how the market opens. But the one thing which I felt bad is that, as you can see here, the opposite is happening of what I have traded, right? Like I have sold Adani call option, but Adani is rising. Okay, and I bought a Nifty future, but Nifty is falling. So like this is opposite of what I'm doing, right? Anyways, I hope it corrects soon. So this is the only position, and I have not I've only squared off like I had squared off my nifty position. I guess it's not showing here, but yeah, I squared this off 18,300, and my 17,000 put option I had squared it off around 4 8 9 profit. Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you for watching.